So it is the car from future. It is ahead of its rival by 2 to 3 generation. So it is the all-new Mercedes-Benz S-Class, which is truly remarkable in every sense. So new generation S-Class is truly impeccable, and it has cutting-edge technology, and the tech work faster than a human brain. So new generation S-Class has rear wheel steering, which reduces the turning radius by huge margin of 2 meters, and maneuvering this car is super easy. And if you are taking a U-turn, you are doing a normal turn, this car makes it hassle free. So it has a rear wheel axle steering wheel, and rear wheel can turn up to 4.5 degrees, which makes low speed maneuvering and parking extremely convenient. So new S-Class also has this ingenious all LED digital lights, which has a range of up to 650 meters. It has also adaptive headlamp function, which can judge upcoming traffic, upcoming person, upcoming animals, and any upcoming object, and it can adjust the light accordingly. And these headlamps offer remarkable performance, and the headlamp also gets 1.3 million pixels. And next up, Mercedes-Benz has this state-of-art 360-degree camera, which is very well designed. So it is very thoughtful camera. It shows you complete eagle eye view and 360-degree view. So even if we are moving the steering wheel, you can see the exact display that steering wheel is moving and in which direction. If you move the steering wheel, if the headlamp is on, if the ORVMs are getting full lit, it will show you each and every detail. So the attention to detail which 360-degree camera has is completely out of the world. So this is center of attraction, which is 12.8 inches OLED infotainment system, and it is loaded with cutting-edge technology. So it has got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It has a remarkable navigation which will show you even each and every building, and all the details of the windows are also shown in exact format. Even all the windows you can see, even the name of the building you can see. So it is really commendable. So we can also set the different profile for the driver. So you can see there is a touch fingerprint sensor over here. So you can scan your fingerprint and that profile will be activated. And the steering wheel, the wing mirrors, the seats, every setting will be adjusted according to your profile. So it is also really very nice. And furthermore, there is connected car technology. So you can preheat the car, pre-cool the car, you can start the car, stop the car. You can do each and everything with your smartphone. And when you will get out of the car, the blower will maintain a temperature for certain time, so that if you are returning in like 20 minutes and 30 minutes, the car still remains cool and in moderate temperature. And this S-Class's sound quality is groundbreaking. We have got 31 Burmester 4D sound system with 31 speakers, and basically it also gets this 1750 watt output. And furthermore guys, each and every seat over here also gets a separate speaker. So Burmester surround sound system is really very incredible, even best in class. The sound quality it delivers is truly appreciable, and even when you listen to the audio, you will feel like out of the world. That is the kind of sound quality S-Class delivers. And another impressive bit on this S-Class is this instrument cluster. So we have got all digital instrument cluster, which has various customization. It will show you navigation information as well and complete car information. So you can toggle between the different modes. We have got sport mode, and then this is exclusive mode, classic mode, this is complete navigation mode. And navigation is displayed basically in all the modes. So new Mercedes-Benz S-Class is so beautifully designed that it will keep you in the best possible comfort. So S-Class does a very cool thing. It judges the road or even analyzes the road which are upcoming, and the suspension is adjusted accordingly. So if we are driving in the roads which are plain and simple, and the roads which are coming up is also plain and simple, the suspension will be adjusted accordingly. If the roads which are coming up are bit bumpy and bit uneven, the suspension will be adjusted accordingly. So it offers a best possible comfort in every seat. So new S-Class also has this curve mode. When we are hard cornering, then it will tilt a bit up to 3 degrees. So if we are cornering like this, the car will tilt 3 degrees like this to counter the body roll, so that we can get into a best possible position while driving the car. And to add a bit further, either of the side bolsters will also inflate to keep you intact in that position. So it is really a very thoughtful touch, and Mercedes-Benz is truly a visionary. So guys, Mercedes-Benz is taking the comfort to the next level, and even these switches which we use to adjust the seats, they don't have a click feel now. So we don't really need to click this switch. We just have to press this. It is touch sensitive, and you can see the seats are getting adjusted accordingly. So Mercedes-Benz has really thought about everything. Even these little bit of details are like extraordinary, and it is truly astonishing. So really nobody has thought about it, and it is such a cool feature and such a important detail. And guys, you see these ambient lights, they are very impressive. They are not only impressive, but they light up the cabin. Also, furthermore, they are functional as well. So if there is any object coming or any vehicle coming and you are supposed to open the door, it will give you a reminder over here that some object is coming. So these ambient lights turn into the red color and give a running effect, which will warn you if there is any blind spot. And if we adjust the front temperature also, the ambient light color changes. So it is really very functional as well as very impressive. So the rear seat experience in this car is completely out of the world. It is not business class, it is first class experience over here. So we have got these two infotainment system which also supports navigation, which means it will show you navigation data, vehicle data, and on the screen you can use all the OTT platforms, you can use YouTube, you can control all the features of the car, whether it is AC, whether it is infotainment system, and whether it is any navigation information as well. So complete navigation and other things are displayed, and this is the first class experience that you get in this chauffeur driven Mercedes-Benz S-Class. And from this tab also, so we have got this Samsung tab over here, and we can control most of the car features from here. Ambient lighting, infotainment system, these sun blinds can be controlled. You can also adjust the massaging function. So all the seats in the S-Class gets massage function, heated function and cooling function as well. And there are different type of massages over here. We can also opt for the hot stone massage, and there is heating function in the neck cushion, heating function in the shoulder, and there is active side bolster as well. And this feature is called active bolster, which will keep you intact on the seats. And there are so many adjustments in the seats, so many features which are unimaginative. You can adjust the side bolsters, you can adjust the shoulder support in n number of settings, so it is really crazy. And this luxury sedan is completely loaded with safety and security equipment. So it gets the first in class 10 airbag system. Even behind the front seats there are airbags which will inflate accordingly. And furthermore, we have got autonomous braking, active cruise control, and so on. So there is huge list of safety and security features. And S-Class also gets fully automatic parking system. So the car will find a parking slot, and if the slot is right, the car will park automatically. We don't have to shift the gears, we don't need to press any pedal, we don't need to maneuver the steering wheel. Everything will be done automatically. Guys, with these groundbreaking features, Mercedes-Benz S-Class is definitely best in segment sedan, and it is truly ahead of its rival cars by 2 to 3 generations. And we will be sharing more information on S-Class, so stay tuned to our channel.